If we want to change the entire design of our blog page, we can simply click on axis over here on all our sections, like so. And then going over here to media library, like so. We can either choose one from over here from the archive, or we can choose one from over here from pages if we want to. So let's go back over here to blogs and let's take a look. Previously had this one, but we can choose a different one from over here. We can also click over here to search different sections. Or we can use this search bar over here. So let's go back to archive and let's click on this one. By clicking on it, we can preview it. By clicking over here to back to library, we could click over here to generate variations with AI, or we can simply click to insert. And then it will overwrite the design, layout and other settings of the archive you're working on. I'm going to click on apply and we have the new template over here. If we want to edit anything on this page, we simply have to click on it. Then we have the element options over here, the styling option over here, and the advanced settings over here. Same go for this, for the post widget. We have the widget settings over here, the styling settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. So you can simply click on anything that you may want to edit, and you can edit it over here. If you want to edit a particular section, a particular container, click on these dots like so. Then you're going to have the container settings over here, the styling setting over here, and the advanced settings over here. So you can simply play with those settings in order to achieve the desired effect. If you have changed your mind, you can simply go over here to history and to editing started. And then we are back where we started. Or go backwards just one action.